On December 23, 2022, Winter Storm Elliot began its onslaught of high winds and heavy snowfall over the city of Buffalo, New York. Having formed several days prior over the northern plains, it rapidly intensified into a bomb cyclone. Although the city of Buffalo had advance warning of the storm, little could be done to prepare its citizens of what would transpire over the following 2 days. The city was hit with tropical storm force winds, sustaining 45 miles per hour for 24 hours straight, with gusts as high as 79 miles per hour in some parts of the city. The intense winds damaged buildings and caused wind chills below 0 degrees, threatening frostbite to exposed skin in seconds. By the afternoon of the 23rd, snowfall from the storm intensified, leading to the city being covered in over 22 inches in a single day, a new record in Buffalo's history. With car pileups and rapidly deteriorating road conditions, visitors for the holiday season in Buffalo attempted to seek shelter as best they could. Highways were shut down, and all non-essential travel was banned as the storm rolled through, but many people found themselves stranded on the streets, with their cars buried by snowdrifts as tall as 6 feet. By the morning of the 24th, it was clear that help would not be on the way for these stranded travelers, when Erie County announced that neither their snowplows nor their emergency vehicles could operate in the current blizzard conditions. Blizzard conditions in the city that would last for a record-setting 37.5 consecutive hours. In the aftermath, over 40 people lost their lives in the city of Buffalo alone. Most were pedestrians who became disoriented in the storm and buried by the snowbanks, and others who had been stranded in their cars for over 2 days, waiting for emergency services that would not arrive in time to save them. The combination of severe weather with holiday travel led to the 2022 blizzard being the deadliest storm to hit the Buffalo region in recent history.